Ganito pala talaga kapag may staycation. Konting madalian at maraming excitement. Packing here, checking there. Simple lang pero ramdam mo na agad na special ang araw na ito. Welcome back to our channel again, guys. Doc Jun channel here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can share also our video. Finally, we are here sa Waterfront Hotel and Apartment in Luceo. Pagbukas mo pa lang ng pinto, napawaw na kaagad kami. Nasa 19th floor kami with 3 bedrooms, kaya super perfect for family and friends. And look at this! Seaside overlooking view. Ang tahimik, ang relaxing, parang sinasabi sa iyo na relax ka muna, enjoy the moment, at dito mo talaga marirealize na hindi lang lugar ang mahalaga, kung hindi sino ang kasama mo rin. Tara, samahan niyo kami while I am touring you around in our tonight's accommodation. Enjoy watching! The place is really perfect for family and friends who will be having a staycation as a group. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mga gifts and giveaways. Kahit simple lang, ang saya pa rin kapag may nagbibigay at may natatanggap. Small things, but big smile. Sa totoo lang, sobrang daming blessings. Mapapa-thank you Lord ka talaga sa super generous na circle of friends na ito. Habang ang iba ay chill lang, may mga hands-on din sa food preparation. Kasi let's be honest, walang gathering na masaya kung walang pagkain. Dito hindi na kami nagluto. We preferred to order para hassle-free. Si Joy po pala ang nag-order for this dinner. Let's enjoy, guys. These are our foods for tonight. Before everything else, we paused and gave thanks. Thank you, Lord, for the safe travels, for friendship, and for this chance na magsama-sama ulit. Kahit staycation lang, blessings pa rin ito. Welcome once again, everyone. This staycation is about bonding, laughter, at konting pahinga from our busy lives. Walang agenda, walang stress. Just enjoy, laugh, and make memories together. Sa oras na ito, after our dinner, we again started with Thanksgiving prayer led by Engineer Jam. Ang sarap lang kasi ng feeling na we always acknowledge Him in everything that we do in our lives. Dito, papahuli po ba tayo? Of course not. Just made a short welcome remarks for all of us to officially start our gathering. At para mas gumising ang lahat, game time na! First game was led by Doc.
Nunal! Okay. Nunal sa mukha. Never wala. 3, 2, 1.
Sunod-sunod na games, syempre sunod-sunod din ang tawanan. Salamat Doc Arnie and Ma'am Eden sa energy at sa pag-games. Dito mo talaga makikita na kahit adults na game pa rin. Of course, may game din ako. Simple lang, walang pressure, basta ang goal lang mag-enjoy at tumawa tayong lahat.
1, 2, 3, go! Ay sa inyong dalawa. 1, 2, 3, go! Ikaw. Out ni dalaw.
After the games, gift giving and exchanging gifts na kaagad. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam makita yung excitement habang nagbibigay at tumatanggap. Hindi presyo ang mahalaga, kundi the thought behind it.
Wow! Gia!
Gia!
Bata na lang ako.
Kaya nga.
Gia! Ikat na size 5 kayo ah. Next one, yes. Coming, brother.
Meron na dong natuloy? Natuloy?
Thank you.
Oh, meron tayo lalagay sa Christmas.
Kuya Tyler. Number 1. Gia! Gia!
Yeah, don't open!
Ay!
Wala daw, wala.
Doc June and Ma'am Guy.
Oh wow, thank you Doc Arn.
Sabay-sabay tayong magbalat ng tawang at sukulit. Ang gay-gay na ni Sir Irene.
Ah, kaya pala naka-red, Santa pala. Santa.
Gia!
Yeah, bless, bless. Thank you.
Sedset!
Sid Sid! Sid Sid!
Baka masira mo eh. Kumagamit na naman.
Yan. Okay yan.
Okay,
Kanina yung isa. Meron na si Gia eh.
Dalawa yan.
Ay, dalawa. Alam naman.
This time, kanya-kanya ng bukasan ng mga na-receive na blessings. Enjoy, guys! Opening gifts, konting kulitan, then movie time. Lights off, tahimik na ang kwarto hanggat sa isa-isa nang makatulog. Pagod, pero masaya. Maaga kaming nagising kinabukasan and decided to go down for a short walk. Sobrang lamig pala, pero okay lang. Ang ganda ng view, ang tahimik, tapos may sunrise pa. Worth it ang pagising namin ng maaga. After ng breakfast namin, beaching time na with family and friends. Konting lakad-lakad sa buhangin, kwentuhan, tapos swimming pool time din. Ganito pala ang tunay na pahinga during this holiday season. And just like that, uwian na. Hindi man mahaba ang stay, pero puno ng memories, tawanan at pasasalamat. Minsan hindi mo kailangan ng malayong biyahe, kailangan mo lang ng tamang lugar at tamang kasama. Until our next family and friends vacation, Doc Jun Channel here. Thank you!